Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today, me and the little woman are kind of busy cooking in the kitchen, but I wanted to make this macaroni salad dish for you guys. Since the Memorial Day is coming up and everybody's looking for side dishes, now this one's a little unique. And it's got a little heat to it, but it's nice. It's got horseradish in it, number one. But anyway, we're going to get to it. Let's get to it. Easy to put together. I've already cooked up the macaroni and I prepped everything else. So it's easy to throw together. Putting all this stuff together here took me about 15 minutes minus the cook time for the macaroni. All right, here we go. You guys are going to love it. Okay, so here we are. This here's a starter shell of macaroni. What I did to this was I cooked it and then I shocked it with some ice water, and these are nice and cold right now, okay? Stick this over here by the sink. All right, so now, back here, this is optional. If you don't want to put chunked up eggs in it, you don't have to. Pepper flakes, the red pepper flakes, if you don't want to, you don't have to. Okay, so this is some oregano, some lemon juice. This is a third of a cup of the brine from the banana peppers I'm using. You can use pepperoncinis. You can use any kind of pickled pepper you want, but there it is. So anyway, back here, we got mayonnaise. You got sour cream. There's the kick right there, horseradish, prepared horseradish. Then we got some parmesan shredded cheese, some frozen peas, and we got a lemon for garnish. Let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to mix the most of the majority of the ingredients we have over here: the mayonnaise, sour cream, horseradish, cheese, pepperoncini peppers or banana peppers, all that we're going to mix right here in the bowl. This is a pretty big bowl, guys. So Penny said, get the big bowl. We got the big bowl. The big boy bowl, the Jethro bowl. Okay, so first we're going to take our mayonnaise, and this is 3/4 of a cup I believe I put in here. And we're going to scoop all this out. Luscious, luscious mayonnaise. I love this mayonnaise. I usually spray, well I did spray, when I measured it out I sprayed the measuring stuff. This here's a 1/4 cup of sour cream. This here's a 1/4 of prepared horseradish. I love this stuff. Penny's dad makes this. He used to tease the girls with it anyway. Now we're going to we're putting banana peppers in here, but you can use, like I said, any pepper you really want. This is gives a nice little crunch and a little tang to it too. So, okay, and then we're going to put in a 1/3 of a cup of the brine. These peppers came in. I'm going to throw in some little bit of lemon juice there. Oregano. I couldn't find, believe it or not, I was looking, couldn't find no fresh, so I put some, this is dried oregano going in. Here's some hot flakes going in. And Cheryl, if you're watching this recipe I think you'll really like. And we'll throw in our shredded Parmesan cheese, okay? Then we're just going to mix this all up. Get it well incorporated before we mix anything else. So far, we've got everything in real time here. We're not messing around. Now, if it looks a little watery, don't worry about that, because I'm pretty sure you guys know that the macaroni will absorb most of the excess liquid. See, if you look at it right now, you say, who's going to eat that? It's all wet. You just wait. Because when we get done with this, you really need to let it sit for 3 to 4 hours in the refrigerator to really cool down. But during that time, the macaroni will suck up the excess juice. And I also only cooked the macaroni till it was al dente, or a little bit less, because I like a little chew to the macaroni in a macaroni salad, so that be that. All right. As you can see, this is pretty well incorporated. So now we're going to put a little bit of macaronis in, just a little at a time, I think. easier to stir around. I just, look at that, covered them with that lusciousness. Woo-hoo, that smells good so far. All right, a little bit more. This is 1 pound of elbows, by the way. You can use whatever shape you want. You can use whatever kind. I was going to use wheat macaroni, but we didn't have elbows. And I do have the other kind of elbows, but I don't think think the texture would have been a little different. So we went with the good old standard elbows, which for a long time we couldn't find none. My wife can tell you, but she's busy. She don't like getting on the camera. So, all right, now you see those little banana peppers starting to poke through? All right. Like I said, some of this stuff that I put in thus far, only a couple ingredients, is optional. Heck, you don't even have to put the horseradish in. Just use the rest of it without the horseradish. But I like the horseradish. It's a nice kick. This recipe, by the way, I found a few of them. It was pretty identical to this one, but I'm pretty partial to what's called the blog, The Noble Pig. The author of that, cook, whatever. Her name's Kathy, and I think she does some good dishes. I like it because she uses oddball ingredients like horseradish and stuff like that. She likes a little heat. So we got all the macaronis in there. All right. I want to make sure. See how all that juice, you thought it was going to be all wet and gooey and stuff like that there. It's already started to soak up. So hold on, let me check these peas. Okay, we're back. I was trying to do this whole thing in real time, but my wife is on the other side of me making some other product for somebody else, and I need some parchment paper. And her hands were all gooey. Anyway, so throwing the frozen peas. They're pretty well thawed out right now, but that's okay. All right, we'll mix these around. Well, don't that look? It looks good so far. And now for a little bit of color and a little bit more taste, putting in some eggs. And you guys can salt and pepper the way you like. I'm not putting anything right now. I usually salt and pepper my macaroni salad when I put it on my plate. But here you have it. I'm going to go to the taste test table, but I'm going to put this in a different bowl, a smaller bowl. I just use this one so we can mix it up good. But we're going to have a taste test, but it needs to go and be cooled down for a few hours, really, before you serve it. But this is it right here. Good holiday elbow macaroni salad. You can use it for any occasion, not just holidays. You have a cookout, knock yourself out. It doesn't take much to make this. It's delicious. And I really think that there's certain individuals on this here planet are going to love this. All right, guys. Let me get a little plate. We'll plate up some stuff, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, there you have it. I hit it with a little bit of spicy paprika on the top. Give it a little more kick. All right, let me check the taste test table. All right, thanks, camera girl. Okay, guys, let's taste this. I haven't, remember, this is not refrigerated yet, and I know once it refrigerates, it'll solidify a little bit more, but we're going to give it a taste. Look, it almost got wow. Nice. The banana peppers, they come right, they have a nice little crunch. A nice little pucker factor in there. Horseradish is shining through. Oh, good. This would make a nice addition, really, to any festive activity you're going to have, like Memorial Day, 4th of July, President's Day, or just your regular run-of-the-mill picnic, cookout, whatever. So if you like this nice video, Please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. You hit the subscribe button, little notification bell light up. You hit that, that'll notify you each and every time we come up with another video. There's an arrow down right below the video box. You hit that, a drop down box will come down. That will give you a link to Cooking with Mr. Dan Facebook page, a link to my daughter's artwork site page, and give you a complete list of all the ingredients we did for this wonderful, wonderful dish. So, my friends, stay hungry, and when you are, come back. We will give you another delicious dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying thanks for watching. Stay healthy, and we'll see you on the next video. We're out for now.